What's up, guys? It's Jimmy over here at Signature Performance. We got another beauty today. We got a 2025 GMC Sierra 2500 Denali Ultimate. This guy's a beauty. It's a new color for us. It's the Rush Metallic color. Titanium Rush Metallic is what I was supposed to say. Some angles look black, some angles looks blue, some angles it looks purple. So it's a beautiful color. Christian initially hit us up, let us know that he did go to another shop, and initially he did want the 4-inch McGaughys kit. They're like, nope, we can't do that. They quoted him a leveling kit, and he knew that's not what he wanted. So after chatting with him a little bit, he explained he wanted the correct angles, told us the wheel and tire kit that he wanted, and most importantly, he wanted an upgrade, and he wanted the reservoirs that McGaughys offers. With this 4-inch McGaughys kit, after talking to the customer for some time, first thing he wanted was all the correct ball joint angles. So if you take a look here, you obviously see everything is perfectly straight. Now, the one thing that we also do, which we all know and we all see, the underneath of these trucks are pretty rusty. So they don't come coated from the factory. So what we do here is we actually paint anything that we can that is exposed to rust. Now, the beautiful thing about doing the 4-inch McGaughys kit is if you take a look at the spindle, it does have the proper clearance, obviously, for the 37s that we fit and the correct offset for the wheel. Now, obviously, with the optional upgrade for the control arms, beautiful billet face plates. And then the other thing Christian was worried about was the look of a Reservoir shock. So, of course, we had to upgrade them. We went to the M84 Reservoirs, beautiful shock. It's going to give it a nice, beautiful ride. All right, guys, so moving on to the back. This truck came factory with the camper overload package. As you can see, we left those in there. So the only thing that we did was we added the 1 3/4 block. Now, doesn't mess with the payload at all. So obviously we just added that block in there. The other thing we did was we did do the M84 Reservoir shocks in the back. So the tire that we chose here is the 37 12.5 Nitto Ridge Grappler. The reason why we choose this tire so often is because it's a perfect tire all around. It is a hybrid compound, performs great off-road, and is quiet on the freeway. So when customers call us and they start saying what they want, our #1 choice is going to be the Nitto Ridge Grappler. The good thing about this tire too is there's two different sides of the tire. One aggressive side, one a little less aggressive side. So it's a beautiful tire to go with. After that, we paired it with some Method MR707s. These guys are actually an 18x9 with a +18 backspace. So a lot of guys call us and they want the perfect stance. So 18x9 with the +18 is what gives it. Now, what Christian also wanted was he wanted the most amount of clearance. So what we did was we went ahead and did a Mudflap delete on it, and then we also did a Fender tieback kit. So when Christian's off-roading his 2500 or he's towing his trailer, he's going to be covered. So Christian is going to be moving here out of town shortly. He did need some protection for all of his goodies. So what we did was we went ahead and went with the Backflip MX4. This guy actually is a trifold. So once it opens up all the way, it does go all the way to the back, and then it has these pads that actually sit up against the glass and protects whatever you're holding, right? It actually doesn't slam against the back glass. So the other cool thing why people love this guy is because even though it's a non-locking bed cover, if your tailgate locks, this guy locks and you can't get in it. So if you guys want to build a truck just like this one, doesn't matter if you're close or far, you guys can come hang out with us. We're here in beautiful Southern California. We got Disneyland, we got Knott's Berry Farm, we got beaches 5 minutes away. So give us a call. Again, my name is Jimmy. We have Raymond, we have Daniel. Signature Performance. Thanks, guys.